Oh my God. Oh wow. Yeah, you can really see them. Oh, they're beautiful.
Wow. The water's so clear.
It's an angelfish. A beautiful color.
Yes.
The name is angelfish. Crazy, huh?
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Look at
Wow,
that.
they go crazy.
Crazy fish.
Yeah.
They are.
Not a lot of fish here. It's a national park. There's nothing here.
Yeah, this is pretty.
Only looking.
I don't know how good this is getting, but I don't know if I got that or not. But.
Oh, my battery's almost dead.
Sometimes.
Oh, those are so pretty.
This is Mexico.
Well, they are really beautiful.
Wonderful places.
Yes. Yeah, we come to Mexico every year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time, maybe.
Oh yeah.